we are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Our today's video is about incredible pieces of scrap metal art that will help you to reduce your carbon footprint, and it will convert your scrap into a usable things, and you can say that they are the cash and cow craft ideas. Scrap metal art is a fantastic way to repurpose old discarded metal and turn them into something beautiful and unique. Here are a few incredible pieces of scrap metal art that you can create as a do-it-by-yourself project with the help of maxilled metals. Sculpture are a great way to transform scrap metal into an artistic masterpiece. You can create anything from animal to abstract designs. All you need is a welder, grinder, and some creativity. Create unique garden art by using old tool, machinery, and other scrap metal. You can make anything from flower to birdhouse. These pieces will add character and interest to your outdoor space. Cut up scrap metal into interesting shapes and design and create your own wall art. These pieces can be simple or complex depending on your skill level and desired outcomes. Transform scrap metal into a functional pieces of furniture such as chairs, tables, and the benches. The possibilities are endless, and the end result is always one of a kind. You can also make beautiful and unique jewelry from scrap metal. Use wire, sheet metal, and other materials to create wings and other material to create rings, earrings, and the necklaces. Remember, safety is a key when working with scrap metal. Always wear protective gear and work in well ventilated areas. With a little creativity and some basic metalworking skill, you can turn scrap metal into amazing piece of art. Here are several advantages of incredible piece of scrap metal art. Scrap metal art is a highly creative and unique from art to require a great deal of imagination and skills to create. Each piece is one of kind and has its own beautiful story to tell. Creating art from scrap metal is an environmental friendly way to repurpose your old material that might otherwise end up in landfill. This reduces waste and help to conserve natural resources. Scrap metal art is a durable and can withstand the elements, making it great choice for outdoor sculpture and installation. This make it a great investment for those looking to add unique piece of art to their outdoor spaces. Scrap metal can be manipulated into various shapes and sizes, giving artistic endless possibilities when it comes to creating their artwork. This means that two pieces of scrap metal art are ever the same. Due to the unique nature of scrap metal art, it can be highly valuable and sought after the collector. This makes it great investment for both the artist and the buyers. Scrap metal art for a great conversation piece due to its unique and the unusual natural look. It can spark discussion about art, the environment, and the importance of repurposing old materials. The metal art made from scrap metal has become increasingly popular worldwide in recent years. Many artistic and designers are using discarded metal to create unique and eye-catching pieces of art, sculptures, furniture, and the decorative projects. Some countries, such as the United States, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom, have a strong tradition of upcycling and using recycled material in art and design. However, metal art made from scrap metal can be found in many parts of the world, and it has gained a lot of attention in various art exhibition galleries and the shows globally. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here, and you can do subscribe our YouTube channel for more crafting ideas. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Thank you so much. Interesting videos. Our today's video is about incredible pieces of scrap metal art that will help you to reduce your carbon footprint, and it will convert your scrap into a usable things, and you can say that they are the cash and cow craft ideas. Scrap metal art is a fantastic way to repurpose old discarded metal and turn them into something beautiful and unique. Here are few incredible pieces of scrap metal art that you can create as a do-it-by-yourself project with the help of maxilled metals. Sculpture are a